Hey, welcome to the channel. So real quick video for you here. They have finally admitted it. And this to me is a big deal. And it's one that you might have missed, but I definitely wanted to point this out for you. So I'm going to share that with you here in just a minute. But right now, the overall crypto market is up 1.19% as of the recording, 3.67 trillion. And overall market's a little flat outside of a few outliers. Bitcoin and Ethereum not really doing anything. XRP surging back 6+%, and on the 7-day up 33%. So for all those XRP haters out there, not you, just those guys over there, right? It's a little bit of a what do you think now? So because there was people that were calling for XRP who's going to drop to the bottom and it was going to crash and all of this garbage. All right, so overall the market is up, looking pretty good. Got a lot of green across the board. Not massive movement, like BNB's up 3%, Dogecoin's up 4%, Cardano's up 3%, so forth and so on. Okay. So here is what I want to share with you. But before I do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, please, here on YouTube. If you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. So this is actually a big deal, and it's one that you may not really thought was a big deal. But the fact that the United States Treasury Department, okay, is comparing Bitcoin to digital gold. They said, and I'm quoting, the primary use case for Bitcoin seems to be a store of value, aka digital gold. Huh. Hadn't we been saying that all along? Okay, there's a little sarcasm there. But what you need to know is the fact that the US Treasury has come out and said this will open the eyes of a lot of people, especially a lot of Wall Street people. Maybe not a lot of people on kind of Main Street America or Main Street, global Main Street, if you will. But this is a thing. This is a big deal. And it's a big deal if you unpack it a little bit, only in the context that you've got a government that historically for the last 4+ years has been effectively anti-crypto. And now that the US Treasury is coming out and saying this is a changing of the guard and a turning of the tide. There you go. Okay. We all know what's happening coming in January. Trump takes office. We all know how pro-crypto he is. But we now have a pro-crypto Senate and basically a pro-crypto House. We've got people being put into place, the head of the SEC. There's going to be a crypto czar in the White House, a Trump appointee. There's a lot of things that are going in our favor now. And to me, this is an example of that as well. Okay. When the US Treasury doesn't make this announcement lightly, and this is a big thing. Okay. So with that, overall crypto market's a little flat. As I said, kind of, it's up. Yeah, it's up 1%, but really not a lot of energy, if you will, right this second. Okay. So before I let you go, I've got to always remind you that today is probably going to be my last day of my Black Friday sale for my software. It's a trading indicator that gives you insight knowing when to buy and sell. This is the XRP chart. This is a buy alert. This is a sell, buy, sell, all aggregated up 31 days, 403%. $1,000 bought here and then sold and then bought and then sold would have made you a profit of 403%. $1,000 in, 403% profit. That's $4,032 profit in your pocket. That's what the software does. It helps you know when to buy, but more importantly, when to sell. Do you really know when to sell your crypto? And do you know the perfect time to buy? And do you know the perfect time to sell and lock in and make that profit in between? Because let's call it what it is. That's why you're here. You're here to make profit. You're here to make money. Okay. You're watching these videos to make money and to try to figure out how to best do that. So my Black Friday sale, the code to use at checkout is BF1. There's a link in the description here on YouTube. You can go hit that link and it'll take you to my site. Or if you're on X, the link's above me. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. And the software costs $1 a day with that discount code BF1. You spend more than $1 a day on a cup of coffee. You spend more than $1 a day on stuff that doesn't make you a dime. Why not invest in your own abilities and give yourself that added advantage? The smart money in the room, the whales, the people that are making a lot of money in crypto are using technology to help them know when to buy and when to sell. And the software runs on any mobile device. You can have alerts. And the alerts will say, buy XRP, sell XRP, buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, whatever it may be. Here's XLM. Look at this. In this 19-day period in this blue box, XLM went up 502%. That's a buy alert. That's a sell alert. That's the software telling you it's the perfect time to buy perfect time to sell and lock in 500% profit. That's $5,028 in profit on a $1,000 buy. Okay. Got one even better for you. Look at H bar, 29 days. Look from here to that. This is a buy alert. That's a sell alert. 29 days, 617%. How'd you like to have been in on that, knowing that you should have gone and bought some H bar and then sold it there? 617% on a $1,000 buy is $6,172 in profit. What could you do with an extra, as an example, $6,100+ in profit? How much would that have changed your life in the last 29 days? That's what the software helps you to do. Know when to buy and know when to sell and lock in that profit. Put it in your pocket. Okay. So links in the description below, links above. Use that Black Friday code BF1. Today is the last day. All right. I'll see you. Bye.